Hi guys, so we're going to start with our three-part drill. So you're going to say the sound that you see. Here we go. Okay, now we're going to make some syllables and you're going to practice blending those syllables together. Okay, so for example, we would go if, piff, if, viff. Or you could do it all together. This, this. Okay, good job. Now you're going to take your finger and just on whatever surface is in front of you, you can do it in the air or you can do it on the table. You're going to write the sound that you hear me say. Ready? Ah, ah, eh, I. Okay, tricky one. It's the two letters that say qua, qua. The two letters that say okay. Yeah. J. W. Z. V. P. B. Make sure you have it the right way. Now, D. G. All right, we'll do one more. The two letters that say ch. Good job. Okay, so let's look at our new rule for today. This week, our rule involves when you have a word and you want to make it plural. So remember, plural is more than one. If I have one cat, it's a cat. If I have two, then they are cats. So the rule changes based on some of the words, how they end. So here is your rule. Can you see this? It says the plural suffix es follows the following letters: s, x, z, sh, nch, and tch. So if you have a word that ends with s, x, z, sh, nch, or ch, you're going to have es, and this kind of sounds like a z. It's going to sound like z, like if I have the word box that ends with the x sound. If I have more than one box, it would be boxes, boxes. It kind of sounds like a z, but in fact it's a es. So one more time, if you want to make a word plural or mean more than one, and it ends with s, x, z, sh, nch, or ch, it's going to be an es, and it gets its own syllable. So like with the word that I gave you as an example, boxes, when we pound it, we would pound box is, and so you would then just pound box and tap that, b-ox, and then since it's a suffix, you don't have to tap it, you would just pound it again, is, and we know that's es. Okay, so let's try some of those words. Remember, you're writing them down because you're going to have to write them on your Google form. Okay? So your first word is benches. Benches. More than one bench would be benches. Let's pound it. Bench is. So we tap bench. B-e-nch. B-e-nch. So you write that. B-e-nch. When you finish bench, to make it benches, you just add your suffix es, which we know are the letters es. So let's see if you got that one right. Bench is benches. Okay, let's try our next word. The word is glasses. Glasses. Let's practice pounding and tapping it. Glass is glass. Gl-a-s. I'm going to give you a hint. That is the floss roll. The floss roll. Let's do glass again. Glass. Gl-a-s. So write that. Gl-a-s. Now you add your suffix es. Es. Okay, let's see if you got it. Glass is glasses. Okay, our next word is the one I used in the example, boxes. Boxes. Let's pound and tap. Box is box. B-ox. And after you write box, you'll add es for boxes. Here is boxes. Box is boxes. Okay. Fourth word is lunches. Lunches. Okay, let's pound and tap it. Lunch is. Lunch. Inch. Inch. After you write lunch, then you add your suffix is. So write that. Inch. Then add is. Okay, you ready to check it? Lunches. Inch. Is. Okay, that leaves our last word. Our last word is brushes. Brushes. Let's pound it. Brush is. Now we pound and tap. Brush. Sh. Okay, write that. Sh. Then you add your suffix is. Brush is. Okay, let's check that one. Brush is. Brushes. Okay, real quick, we're going to go over that rule one more time. So your rule for the week. The plural suffix is comes after the following sounds. S, x, z, sh, nch, and ch. So if you have a word that ends with any of these and you want to make it plural, you don't just add an S anymore. Now you add an ES and it sounds like es. Okay, good job.